Hey Benji, that's it. We're off to the races. Yeah, it's really coming down now. Ah, you're lucky. There's still com sleigh na Florida, huh? Look at this. Wow. Okay, buddy. Ciao, ciao.
All right, we're going. We're going to eat some breakfast. Woo-hoo. Look, we got our turkey linguiça. Benjamin brought our turkey linguiça.
Importing turkey linguiça.
This is the last day. You're a minor. Tomorrow
I've not
you
been a
are.
minor for 2 years. It's not a minor.
No.
18. Eleanor said me,
You're legal?
but sempre legal. I can go to the army, eu posso fazer isso tudo. The only thing I can't do is drink while it's teaching. I can go to war, mas eu não posso beber.
No, só beber água.
Ele não quer
My
vender.
screen is smaller.
Ele não quer
It's the
vender.
same thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Benjamin gave me his phone
I'll
and
give you my phone, you bought it.
I bought it. Okay, so but it's smaller than my phone. Yeah.
Sue brother got checked on us this morning.
Listen, Braga,
He says, tu vais de férias and we put you to work.
É sempre a mesma canção.
Hey,
Every
yeah.
single time. Tá certo.
Come on.
Ele não pode parar aqui antes.
Sempre my
Come
friend.
on. We're going to the beach today.
Yes.
I didn't even shave. Touch man.
Wow.
Going to the
Mary's
beach.
gonna say, "Come on, Benji,
Napsies.
shave."
Exactly.
Mary hasn't gotten back. I wonder how she's feeling. She was feeling a little under the weather. So I hope you're feeling good.
Aqueles já
girl.
têm snowman lá fora.
Oh yeah, there's a couple of houses already decorated for Christmas.
Tá certo.
Get
Oh,
them on, they get
yeah,
them.
they're
Yeah.
like looking
We
forward
already
to
talked
this.
about this.
It's not even Thanksgiving.
It's okay, but people want Christmas.
Yeah, but
They're in the mood for Christmas. Are you in the mood for Christmas?
just sempre ready for it. Always ready for it.
Always ready for Christmas? That's good.
2020 tak was pronto.
Yeah, I know. So we are going to the beach, people. Hope you are enjoying your weather as well. Akita. The car says 100, but it's not 100.
It's not that hot.
It's like
It's
70,
currently 75 degrees.
There you go.
75.
High of 81, low of 72.
Yeah, so it's supposed to reach 80 today, around 12 o'clock.
Bravo.
Yeah, breakfast, e agora a gente vai e swimming. Steve Walmart was picking on you, saying you didn't want to break the pie.
Oh, the pie. Yeah. I was all like, what are you talking about? Yeah, Eldishka.
I mean, you could.
It
I'm
would
gonna
have gotten.
go
yeah.
through the TSA with a pie.
Yeah.
Sempa friend.
No, it would have been
They
kind
would
of.
scan it. No, they
Yeah,
would go
yeah, man, they would be like,
If
that
you season it is
and the magnets out of beneath. They'll say, listen, your TSA pre-check got revoked.
Yes.
This guy is up to something.
Hey, it's worth it though. If anybody wants to do that TSA pre-check thing, so worth it.
Okay,
I walked
explique
in.
por- what
Like,
is that?
you go and they do like a FBI background check on you, and they see if you're legit, and if you get approved, you basically just walk on the plane. Like, if I didn't
Okay.
have those magnets, I didn't walk through anything special. I just went through a normal metal detector.
Yeah.
I didn't take off my shoes. I didn't take anything off. The stuff went through the X-ray machine, and then I just walked on. It wasn't.
Isn't that like un creek?
Well, they already did the checking. They did a background check on me. They made sure I was.
Yeah,
like,
but if you're a crook, you're gonna keep yourself clean, and then you're gonna do something
I'm
bad.
sure that they can see that. I'm sure that's something that they notice.
You know what I'm saying?
I hope my TSA purchase doesn't get revoked now because of this conversation.
Exactly.
I'm gonna get a letter in the mail saying there's been some circumstances that have revoked your TSA.
He negotiates these too much. I don't feel that secure.
Boom! You gotta pay $100 tomorrow. It's not the pass.
Yeah, but if you're a crook, who cares?
Elena Psab, Elena Fall English. Background check, FBI. It's no New Bedford police. This is like
You're
a
talking
deep,
bad about the Bedford police.
deep background check.
What's wrong with the Bedford
Exactly.
police?
No, ela percebe. Isso não é like
Hello.
little organization. O Bedford Police faz o que é?
They do a lot. They're
The
like
most-
one of the most
Oh yes.
because they have a lot of violence in the New Bedford.
100%. The most interesting thing that happened to the New Bedford police in the last 5 years was the day that they had two.
The Azorean is taking your favorite old world flavors and bringing them back for you and your family to enjoy. Come in and try any of our Portuguese classics or try one of our old world spins on classic American flavors. The Azorean Restaurant and Bar. You can taste the islands from here.
Same day. That was the most interesting thing
You are a
else
hater.
said.
They're not going to protect you
But
anymore.
there was the I don't know if you talked about the car that hit my house or not.
No.
Oh no.
Oh, there was like 17 cops outside my house because of this one person who hit my porch. I was like, tons of cops.
Did you fix that porch in here?
Not yet. It is what it is.
Because the car insurance has to pay
The
for
contractor nunca falar.
it. Yeah.
Nunca deu
O estimate.
o estimate.
Ele disse-te, vai levar 5 meses.
E é só parca, ninguém é só eu que trabalho na
That's
marca.
why when we had one time that they hit our porch with the jewelry store, Benjamin fixed it before we even opened up the door because we're like, no way, waiting for the insurance company to come through, the jewelry store's gonna be closed for like 6 months.
That's
Nipi
I'm
sanis.
just gonna send a bill to the insurance company.
Can you imagine us closing the jewelry store
Because of
for
the,
like 2-3 weeks?
Yeah.
Because you don't know when these guys are gonna come in.
Yeah.
One would come by and check it out, okay? Talk to the owner of the property, check the thing, check the damages. We'll get back to you, mais uma semana.
yeah.
All right, we approved you. We're gonna send you a payment of $19.95 per square foot for the wood. $2,000. You're gonna get your check 3 weeks from now. Bro, já estava, yeah, in the jewelry store, you're sempre deste.
Yeah.
So I did those mats in 10 seconds.
Yeah, he was done.
I said, oh yeah, Home Depot.
Thank God
Aqui horas,
he-
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. No, but I mean, thank God he doesn't have
No, because
customers coming
it's
into
a side,
Yeah,
it's the side door.
Yeah.
We got hit was in the main door to get to the
Yeah.
jewelry store. They took off the whole deck,
Yeah.
the whole ramp.
E vontade é pouca para arranjar, tá certo? A vontade é pouca. Você tinha vontade, já estava arranjado.
Listen, the honest truth why our house gets hit on the decks over there, it's because when they're making the curve, they hold the steering. By you holding the steering the opposite, quando tu corres swinging, and our house is always,
Yeah, that was
it's
bad.
always us and the neighbor.
É bom.
And the neighbor took
The
that
neighbor
fence.
already got like, that's his already third fence already.
Yeah, which is such an interesting concept. I wouldn't put another fence. Like, I would just take the money and I'd say, listen, obviously I'm not supposed to have a fence.
Maybe he's upgrading his fence.
Maybe every time he
it
puts
comes,
another 2,000 in. That's sad. That's sad. Innocent.
Okay, people.
That's sempre like has pessoas.
You know
7 minutes talking about a fence.
You know what you can do?
What can I do?
Show up to City New Bedford, right?
Yeah.
City Hall, and say, listen, I want you guys to block this side because either that or put a set of lights up
No,
top.
tell him to put one of those plant
One of those
things.
big dundia.
À frente da tua porta.
E o sidewalk ia para dundia. A sidewalk, peças que sai, like New York City 8-foot sidewalks. Oh God, I know. Ela já não lembra de New Bedford.
I não me lembro.
I não lembro de New Bedford. Okay.
Okay, people.
Beautiful day to go to the beach, huh? Hey, look him go, Noah! Hey, tão fresquinha!
I'm not coming to Florida, not going into
Já só, dá um mergulho, estava lá em água. Ah, no, the water's good.
Yeah,
It's cold when you get in.
it is. It is cold when you get in.
Do you miss the taste of fresh, authentic Portuguese seafood? The Azorean serves only the freshest seafood prepared in traditional Portuguese styles. Come in and try some out for yourself. The Azorean Restaurant and Bar. You can taste the islands from here.